Being a professional hairdresser, I always get asked how to achieve shine on hair. So I'm going to share with you a couple of my pro tips on how to achieve that beautifully glass-like finish on your hair. Firstly, you want to protect your hair from the heat. That is why I use GHD Bodyguard Heat Protection Spray. It has conditioning agents and protection polymers, which create an invisible shield between the heat and the hair, protecting your hair throughout the styling process. Choosing the right hairdryer is going to be key for you to achieve that beautiful shine on your hair. And that is why I would always use the GHD Helios hairdryer. Helios has aero-precise technology, which manages the airflow in such a way that it creates a beautiful streamlined airflow, which is going to improve the hair alignment by 3 times, but also increase the shine on your hair by 30%. Now, when you want to achieve maximum shine, it's always important for you to use your nozzle. Now, when you're blow drying, angle the airflow using your nozzle from root to tip. Following that brush down, always angling the airflow away from the head, and that again is going to add more shine to your hair. GHD Helios also features a cool shot button. Not only is this great to set in the style, but also cooling it down will increase the shine on your hair. Now, the biggest transformation is going to come from when you're using your styler. When I want to achieve maximum shine on my model's hair, I always reach for my GHD Platinum Plus. Now, with Platinum Plus, not only does it style at 185 degrees Celsius, which is the healthiest temperature for any hair type, it also has ultra gloss coating on the plate. One of my key tips for when you're straightening your hair is to follow the straightener through your hair following a brush. Now, this is again going to increase hair alignment, the smooth and sleek results that you're going to achieve, but also the maximum shine on your hair. Towards the ends of the hair, you want to tilt the styler ever so slightly just to bevel and seal those ends. And again, it's going to increase that shine and smoothness for you. So once you've finished styling the hair, you want to choose the perfect finishing product to achieve that beautiful shine that you're after. That is why I would recommend you use Shiny Ever After Final Shine Spray. Now, this is going to give you that beautiful, sleek, shiny finish, but also because it's in a lightweight mist, it's not going to weigh your hair down or make it greasy. The way I'm applying this is through a highlighting technique. I'm holding the spray away from the head and allowing that mist to gently fall onto the hair, giving it that diamond-like finish.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.